Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and properly configure Ace VPN Tunnel for fast, secure, and unlimited browsing. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important setup steps. Let's start with the download process. First, open any browser on your device, such as Chrome or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar, type SSH SSL Tunnel and press Enter. From the search results, tap on the official SSH SSL Tunnel website to access the homepage. Once you are on the homepage, tap on the menu icon. A list of options will appear. From that list, select Free VPN to proceed to the VPN section. On the VPN page, you will see different VPN applications available. Locate Ace VPN Tunnel and tap on it to begin the download process. Now tap on the Install button to start downloading the application. The installation may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so please wait until it completes. Once Ace VPN Tunnel is successfully installed, you will see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch the application. After launching the VPN, you will be redirected to the home screen of Ace VPN Tunnel. You may receive a notification permission request. You can either allow or cancel it according to your preference. When you are on the home screen, make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on so the app can load the available servers. Once the servers are updated, the VPN may restart automatically. Wait a few seconds until everything finishes loading. Now let's explore the main features. Ace VPN Tunnel has two primary sections, one for selecting servers and another for choosing protocols or tweaks. To select a server, tap on the Server section. You will see a list of available server locations. Choose any server based on your preference. You can change the server anytime. After selecting the server, you can choose a protocol. Tap on the Tweaks button to see a list of built-in protocols and configuration options. Scroll through the list and select the one that works best for your network. If you prefer custom settings, you can create your own tweak by setting a name, selecting a protocol type, and entering SNI if you are using SSL. You may also experiment with other settings depending on your needs. Once everything is configured, return to the home screen. You will see a large Start button. Tap on it to connect. Within a few seconds, the VPN will establish a secure connection and you can start browsing safely and privately. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.